are big.
That's pretty cool, though.
Welcome in, guys.
What's up, man?
Home away from home, the urban forest from the inside
How's it
out.
going?
See, and this is Sean.
Sean, pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you guys ready to take home the blue gum? You can't lift this. 8,000 pounds.
That's how much this thing weighs?
Yeah.
It's a chunk of wood.
It's our little meditation spot, you know. You sit on the Sisu bench. Sisu's
Love
North
it.
Indian rosewood. Feel the power of the big blue gum on your back. This is from Southeast Asia originally.
No way.
It's a chocolate alternative. Any guesses?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. This, you can crack the pod open and eat it. Kind of tastes like chocolate.
Carob.
Bam!
Oh,
carob.
carobs.
I'm down.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Traded on the Silk Road for the fruit. And once all the countries had it, they started to use the seeds as a measuring standard. When the Romans made the solid gold coin, it weighed 24 carob seeds.
That's right.
Carob is what the basis for the carrot.
As I was gonna say, 24 karat.
Ah.
Oh, I know almost nothing. I just build stuff out of it.
I thought everything you guys had in here is all stuff
Like
locally.
urban
Average city in California has over 230 different species,
Yeah.
and most of them are non-native.
Wow. I will say, it's when I walked in, that my eye went straight to those.
Maybe we can sweet talk Yasmin. I'll call her up. There's her number.
This is the sister slab to that one.
Yeah.
It's got a nice
that looks
figure on
good.
this side.
Yeah.
But right behind me, the slip slap match, flip flop 69 match,
There you go.
I really like.
I mean, I'm open to anything. Like,
Yeah, well, that's
because what we're gonna, once we see what we have, then we'll design around that.
Yeah.
Sure.
We're not gonna try to shoehorn what we get into something that we already have planned.
That's smart. I've got this piece right here. This is a special one. This is red gum eucalyptus burl, Eucalyptus camaldulensis. Euc is super famous for not drying well, right? You can see right here, this is only 2 months old. It's crazy, right? Famous for twisting and cracking. This one doesn't have any cracks. We waxed the entire thing. We coated the entire slab in wax, the whole stack, built a plywood box around it, put 10,000 pounds on it. 3.5 years later, surfaced it, 10% moisture content.
Dang.
No cracks.
So I don't know. What do you like? Do you lean? Should we go more long, skinny?
Well, I mean, obviously, like, you know, when he showed us that would be awesome to like do something like that. But that's, I think, what we're talking about, where it's like, if we were going the route
There's a
of
lot
like
of prep
a lot
work.
of epoxy. And
Well,
all-
you couldn't just have it.
well, no, I mean,
not
I think
touch
that
each
would,
other in the
I think that
trim?
would be awesome too, to like,
Yeah, just like
have
it's
it be
just
open.
split.
Yeah,
And it could fall through.
yeah, that would
or
be.
you could put a piece of glass on top. or
That would
whatever.
be sweet. I would love to do it like that.
Man.
There you go.
I could hang on a basketball hoop at one point, and I don't feel like I could get the top of that.
I'll hit it with some sauce here. Show
Yeah,
you what
let's-
the grain
let's
will
see
look
it.
like.
Yeah.
This is our first time doing this. Did we like keep it a little simpler this time?
Everybody wants a single piece, right? Because it's easier.
Yeah.
But the world is not made of big single piece trees. There's way more smaller trees. So if you give someone an example on how to do something with more small trees.
I mean, I got right now, without having looked at, you know, most of what's in here.
That's
like,
what's
this is
speaking to you
really,
the
yeah,
most?
because I think what people would think you're gonna do with this is fill it with epoxy and do all that.
Yeah.
And if we don't do that
Yeah.
and either put glass on it or just leave it open, I think leaving it open would be awesome.
We've got 3 different types of sycamore growing here. Botanicals Platanus, Platanus racemosa, Platanus hybridica, and Platanus mexicana. I don't know which one it is.
That almost looks, it looks like a QR code almost.
Yeah, it's like a
stretched
digital
out QR
vibe to it.
Yeah, it like has like a digital look to it. It's
Yeah.
weird.
And these are carob book matches.
Nice. Oh yeah, that stuff's sweet.
Yeah, it's like very bacon.
Yeah,
Pretty
lots
awesome.
Lots of reds and yellows.
So it's 4 of those. You could do a quad match.
That'd be a big table.
You guys know what this is?
Carob.
Yeah.
Just told us.
This straight line.
I'm gonna say it was lightning.
No. This is a pruning wound from a chainsaw.
I was gonna say something man-made, like
Exactly.
like the
I didn't
human
wanna
did
look like an
something, but
idiot,
yeah.
but I was
So in
gonna say
urban
Then I
wood
went lightning.
particularly, you see more pruning wounds. You don't see that in forest grown stuff.
Yeah.
So we trim that branch. Fungus landed on the open wound. This is all spalting, right? Started to decay the wood. The tree grew over it, stopped the decay.
Wow.
It's like good job.
Scar.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's this. This one is called she oak.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like oak, but not really. It's not a true oak, but it's just called that. It actually looks like a pine tree,
Whoa.
Oh, that's very dark.
also known as beefwood.
Beefwood. I like that name.
Extremely heavy.
What if we make the beef and bacon table?
We got some big valley oaks
wow.
here.
Yeah.
Black spots
Yeah.
on there. You know what that's from?
Lightning.
Lightning.
Is it or no?
No, I'm gonna say
Damn, chainsaw.
it's metal.
Metal.
In the wood.
That's right.
Like
Change the color.
yeah.
All right. What's speaking to us the most?
I mean, I like
There's
those
there's
two.
those two.
Yeah.
Is that the leader in the clubhouse right now?
That isn't in my book, but let's.
I mean, I'm down for it.
Sequoia, we haven't gone over here yet.
all this
Where?
stuff.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are some beefy slab. Like,
Boys, this
Yeah.
one, rarely do we get clear lumber. This one's very clear.
Yeah.
yeah, this one's like,
No knots. I mean,
Yeah.
that's like.
it almost looks like somebody put it together.
Yeah. Dang. All this stuff is blowing my mind.
Has some magic going on too.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I think if we're going for like just boom, smack you in the face with a thumbnail, it's hard to beat that, right?
It's dark. It's sexy.
Yeah.
It's got movement.
So it's gonna look different than what you usually see.
Yeah. Should we do it?
I'm into it.
All right, let's do it. Is that good?
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you
yeah,
too.
hopefully we'll
Good
be
seeing you
back.
again.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see
Dusty,
more of you.
Yeah. Right on, man. Almost got it.
That was a good shot.